Can Jacob fit in the picture?
Yeah.
Do I come in now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and then I'll head off. And then you
Hey guys, it's me, Darcy. I just wanted to film myself unboxing an Xbox One that this good guy gave me. Say hello to the camera, Jacob.
Hey guys.
So can you help me open this? Oh, sweet. Oh, look at this controller. That's just like OG, man. OG.
That's cool. You'll have to get another one to play with Bo.
Actually, Batman Arkham Knight's not a multiple player game. Yeah, that's right. I'm getting Batman Arkham Knight. And here's the Kinect, I'm guessing. Oh, sweet. You get
Whole bunch of game cards.
Oh, sweet. But guess what?
What?
I get like every Assassin's Creed game ever.
No, you don't.
Oh, sweet. So, do you want to help me get this thing out?
Yeah. Alright, how do we do this?
Okay.
Get all that one. Cable there for you.
But if you don't know, Xbox One means the one console for all gamers. I like to lay it flat on the ground. Actually, I think it goes flat on the ground on the other way. You know why I like to do that? It's because when I used to have it standing up, I'd always knock it over, permanently scratching the discs inside. So, yeah, this is awesome, Jacob. I can't believe it.
No, it's ours.
Like,
You deserve it.
he almost gave me a heart attack. So, like, yeah. Wait, Jacob, there's actually, since you can't play Xbox 360 games on this, there's a little thing that if you download this little thing on your Xbox 360, it allows you to actually play Xbox 360 games on this. But I'm not going to try it.
You can play all the Xbox games on it. Do you know that?
Son of a...
Xbox One? Yeah, they're backwards compatible. As of now.
Son of a...
Do you have your first Xbox games? The very first ones? You can play the very first ones and the 360.
Son of a...
Xbox just announced it a few weeks ago.
Oh, wow.
And so he hasn't caught up yet.
I love you. Not in the gay way. So, everyone, I'll show you. It's got a few scratches on it, but that's okay. And here it is, the Xbox One. I just can't believe this. Like, I'm just like so happy that that Jacob and his wife Olivia got this for me, because I'm just like so happy. I can't explain it. So I guess I might see you later, guys. This is Darcy signing out. Xbox One close up.